The Arrow 3 or HETS 3 is an exo-atmospheric hypersonic anti-ballistic missile, jointly funded, developed and produced by Israel and the United States. It provides exo-atmospheric interception of ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). The missile's reported flight range is up to 2,400 kilometers. Israel Aerospace Industries announced in June 2009 that the Arrow 3 patented exo-atmospheric interception method includes a two-stage interceptor, like the Arrow 2, but purely based on hit-to-kill technology. The new Israeli kill vehicle will be propelled by an ordinary solid rocket motor equipped with a thrust vectoring nozzle. It will also be fitted with a gimbaled seeker for hemispheric coverage. By measuring the seeker's line of sight propagation relative to the vehicle's motion, the kill vehicle will use proportional navigation to divert its course and line up exactly with the target's flight path. Arrow 3 should be able to intercept ballistic missiles, especially those carrying weapons of mass destruction, at altitudes of over 100 kilometers, and at greater ranges. It could also be ship-based. The Arrow 3 is faster than the Arrow 2 and slightly smaller, weighing nearly half. An Arrow 3 battery is expected to intercept salvos of more than 5 ballistic missiles within 30 seconds. Arrow 3 can be launched into an area of space before it is known where the target missile is going. When the target and its course are identified, the Arrow interceptor is redirected using its thrust vectoring nozzle to close the gap and conduct a body-to-body interception. The missile can be placed in a 21-in vertical launch tube. The launcher provides fast reaction times to engage multiple ballistic missiles. The Arrow 3 system uses ELTA-S Super Green Pine early warning and fire control radar, which operates in L-band. ELTA is a subsidiary of IAI. The radar provides extended range acquisition, as well as multi-target acquisition and tracking capabilities. The high-resolution electro-optical sensor acquires the target for the kill vehicle to hit the target and destroy the warhead. The Citron Tree Battle Management and Command, Control, Communication, Intelligence System, and Fire Control Center serve as the control center for data processing, threat assessment, and mission control. Located at the launch site, the Hazelnut Tree Launch Control Center (LCC) controls the missile launchers. It acts as an interface between the launchers and the Fire Control Center. On October 1, 2024, during the October 2024 Iranian strikes against Israel, the Arrow 3 system was used to intercept ballistic missiles.